So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be talking about the top 4 best student credit cards for 2026 that are designed for students with no credit. All the cards in this video have no annual fee, are available nationwide, earn rewards, and are beginner friendly. College is the perfect time to start building the foundation for your financial future, especially when it comes to credit cards. Your expenses are relatively low, your lifestyle is still flexible, and credit card issuers have products designed specifically for you. Handling a student credit card responsibly will make a huge difference later in life when you apply for apartments, car loans, a mortgage, and premium credit cards. So with all that being said, the first credit card we will be talking about is the Chase Freedom Rise. The Chase Freedom Rise is designed and best for people who are new to credit and students. The Chase Freedom Rise gives you a clear pathway into Chase's ecosystem, in which we will talk about later in the video. The Chase Freedom Rise card allows you to earn 1.5% cash back on all purchases. That's every time you swipe your card on a purchase, you will be getting back 1.5% cash back. The cashback rewards do not expire as long as your account is open, and there is no minimum amount to redeem for cash back. If you decide to enroll in automatic payments within the first 3 months of opening your account and remain enrolled for at least 90 days, you will earn a $25 credit on your statement. And that's just a way that Chase gives back as an incentive for making on-time automatic payments on your credit card. The card is also a 0 annual fee card as well. Now, in order to get approved and to start establishing credit and earning the 1.5% cash back on all purchases, there is a great way that Chase advertises that may increase your chances of approval. Having at least $250 in a Chase checking or savings account, although isn't mandatory, can increase your chances of approval. If you haven't yet opened a Chase checking account, no fears or worries, because Chase offers student checking accounts that offer no monthly service fees, no minimum to open, and 0 liability protection. I personally had the Chase student checking and savings account with them. You can also get a $125 bonus just by opening a student checking account. All you would need to do is complete 10 qualifying transactions within 60 days. That could be debit card purchases, Zelle, ACH credits, Chase Quick Deposit, and online bill payments. When you make those 10 qualifying transactions, you can earn that checking account bonus. The interest rate on the Freedom Rise card is 25.24%, so you would want to make it good practice to pay off your balance in full every month. Now, something I wanted to mention about the Chase Freedom Rise that we touched on earlier is how this card can get you into the Chase ecosystem. You will automatically be evaluated each year to upgrade your Chase Freedom to the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card, which has better credit card perks. The upgrade is possible when your Freedom account is open and you've made a purchase on your Rise card in the past 12 months. You've made all payments on time to all financial lenders in the past 12 months, and none of your Chase accounts are suspended. Some additional rewards and benefits of the card would have to be receiving a credit limit increase. As a Freedom Rise card member, you'll be evaluated in 6 months for a credit limit increase. These credit limit increases are great because it can lower down your overall credit card utilization, increasing your credit score. The Chase Freedom Rise card also offers 0 liability protection, like we mentioned earlier, which basically means if by any chance you see an unauthorized charge, you can dispute it and are not at fault. The card also offers purchase protection, which covers eligible new purchases for 120 days from date of purchase against damage or theft up to $500 per item. Extended warranty protection, which extends the time period of a manufacturer's U.S. warranty by an additional year on eligible warranties of 3 years or less, up to 4 years from the date of purchase. Trip cancellation and interruption insurance, in which you can be reimbursed up to $1,500 per covered traveler and $6,000 per trip for a prepaid non-refundable passenger fares if your trip is canceled or cut short by sickness, severe weather, or other covered situations. Additionally, you also have 24/7 fraud monitoring and lock and unlock feature, which lets you quickly lock or unlock your card from the Chase mobile app. There are also a variety of ways you can redeem your cash back. You can redeem it as cash back. You can use it for all or part of eligible Amazon purchases, redeem it for gift cards, and use it to book travel. The Chase Freedom Rise card also offers 6 months of complimentary Dash Pass and 2% cash back on Lyft rides. The Chase Freedom Rise also offers a apply for the card, use it same day feature. You can get instant access to your card by adding it to a digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. And what's really cool is that if you have friends or family who need a student card, you get your own referral link as well. So you can actually be compensated if they get approved using your referral link. The next option would have to be the Capital One Saver Rewards for students. You can earn unlimited 3% cash back on groceries, dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services. New card members can also earn a one-time $50 cash bonus after spending $100 within the first 3 months of account opening. The card is designed exclusively for students. So whether you're at a 4-year college, university, community college, or other higher education institution, you can continue using this card even after you graduate. The interest and balance transfer rate at the time of this video is 18.49 to 28.49% variable. The Capital One Saver Rewards for students has no foreign transaction fees if you're traveling outside of the US, and your rewards don't expire for the life of the account, and you can redeem cash back for any amount. You can also redeem your cash back as cash, cover a recent purchase, or redeem them for gift cards. Now, the benefits of the card are extended warranty protection, in which you'll get an additional warranty protection at no charge on eligible items that are purchased with the card. Travel accident insurance, in which you get automatic insurance for a covered loss at no extra charge when you use your credit card to purchase your fare. Capital One Shopping, which is an online shopping tool that automatically applies available coupons to your order. You can redeem your rewards with PayPal and use your Capital One rewards on eligible purchases at millions of online stores. There is also a really cool one. You get 50% off handcrafted beverages every day at any Capital One cafe nationwide, which are located in Arizona, California, Colorado, and District of Columbia. You also get complimentary concierge service, in which you can receive personalized assistance in dining, entertainment, and travel 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. 24-hour travel assistance services. If your credit card is lost or stolen, you can get an emergency replacement card and a cash advance. Instant purchase notifications, meaning you get notifications when a new purchase is approved on your credit card. You can also shop with your rewards using your Capital One rewards to pay for Amazon purchases. And lastly, you get access to Capital One's travel portal. The Capital One Saver Student Card gets you Capital One Dining, which gives you access to customer-only reservations at restaurants and tickets to culinary events. This card also gives you access to Capital One Entertainment, in which you can enjoy access to can't-miss events across music, sports, theater, and dining with exclusive pre-sales, tickets, and more. The protection benefits of the card include security alerts, virtual card numbers, account alerts, emergency card replacement, zero fraud liability, card lock, and credit wise. Additionally, you can also add an authorized user to your account and track their spending. I do want to mention that this credit card does have a brother which offers the same benefits, but instead of the 3% cash back on grocery stores, dining, entertainment, and popular streaming services, the Quicksilver Rewards for Students earns 1.5% cash back on all purchases. And you can also check to see if you are pre-approved for any of these cards with no risk to your credit score. The next option would have to be the Discover It Student Cashback, which is a division of Capital One. Unlike the Saver Rewards for Students that has more of a fixed rewards earning, the Discover It Student Cashback card earns 5% back on rotating categories, like at grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and more. All other purchases are 1% cash back. So every 3 months, you'll see a change in what categories you'll get 5% back on. So for example, January to March, you'll earn 5% back on grocery stores, wholesale clubs, and select streaming services up to $1,500 in purchases. April and June is still to be determined, but these 5% categories will change every 3 months. You also get an unlimited dollar-for-dollar match of all cashback you earn at the end of your first year automatically. There is no limit to how much Discover will match. So for example, if you've earned $200 cash back in your first year, Discover will match it. and turn that $200 into $400, which is pretty nice. The interest rate at the time of this recording is 0% for 6 months on purchases, and then it goes up to 16.49 to 25.49%. This is a zero annual fee credit card, and you can redeem your cash rewards in any amount. Your cashback won't expire for the life of your account, and you can use your rewards with PayPal at select merchants. You also have a couple of other things like zero fraud liability, so you're not responsible for unauthorized purchases, instant account lock, so you can freeze or unfreeze your card anytime within the app or online. You have credit report monitoring, so you can get alerts if someone pulls your credit. You also have new account alerts, so you'll be notified if a new credit card, loan, or account appears on your credit report. You also have dark web monitoring, so you can receive alerts if your social security number is found on the dark web. And if for whatever reason you miss a payment, you were busy with classes, finals, for whatever reason it is that you couldn't make a payment, there will not be a late fee on your first late payment, which is really nice to have. This actually happened to somebody that I personally know, where they were late on their Discover card. And what happened was they called them up, said, I was late. This is my first time. I don't know what happened. And Discover actually reversed their late payment. With the Discover Student Cashback Card, you also get your FICO score for free. You also get customer service available 24/7 by phone, online, or mobile app. If you are interested in applying for this card, you can check if you are pre-approved with no impact to your credit score. So to wrap things up, college really is the perfect time to start building the foundation for your financial future, especially when it comes to credit. Your expenses are relatively low, your lifestyle is still flexible, and there are credit cards designed specifically for students with no credit. Every card we cover today has no annual fee, is available nationwide, earns rewards, and is beginner friendly. So let me know down in the comments below, which student credit card are you thinking about applying for?